Harry from Meyerland has a question about a standby generator.
Well, he's flooded 3 times, and he had to rebuild, go 6 feet up. Next step, generator. Harry writes, we want to install a whole home backup generator, and there are several other demoed homes in the neighborhood, some with generators on risers. So his neighbors have rebuilt, Tom, and they've been smart to put the generator on a riser, and they can do that. They can put them up on like 6-8 feet up, which it looks funny when you see it until you see it in a flood, and then you're, oh, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah, but if you're in a floodplain, you even have to do that with air conditioning systems too.
Exactly. So he wants to know, is it worth buying a backup generator used and having it relocated, or just go buy a new one? What would you say?
Well, I guess if you got a good deal on a used one that's really good shape, you have to have somebody check it out. I'm not sure how you're going to do that, but I'm not opposed to buying something used in good shape that you can get some use out of. My problem with this is if you're in a flooded area and if your house has water in it, you have to shut the electricity off or you could electrocute yourself.
Yep.
So I don't understand why you would want a generator. Now, I understand it for other times, like when the power goes out or there's a hurricane and stuff. That's fine, but not the flood part. During a flood, I just talked to a friend who went through a flood, and he actually got electrocuted and got hurt trying to unplug stuff while his house was being flooded.
It's funny you say that. We have floor plugs in the living room, and we had these rains a week or so ago that came through, and Sandy was all a Twitter about the floor plugs. I'm going to get electrocuted. Okay, we'll go upstairs, But
and you know what else people have?
What?
Those strips that you plug in that lay on the floor behind all your electronics.
Well,
that's what he got fried on.
She had Right Touch come over and put GFCIs on those plugs.
Yeah, you can do that.
But as far as the generator is concerned, I will tell you, I had one, and I have one, and Tom has one.
I have one too.
And during Harvey, when the hardest thing I had to do in Harvey when we evacuated was turn that generator off.
Yeah, because it's going to switch on and go.
Well, no, it was running. It was running. I had to turn it off. And it's a tough choice, but the thing is, if it goes underwater running, what happens is bad. And if it goes underwater idle, turned off, you have a chance of saving it. And either way, raising up is fine.
Yeah, I don't have a problem raising up. I just want to make sure people know that when a flood comes. Sure. And Meyerland is known for floods. I mean, that's just the bottom line.
I thought that's what it meant. It meant in Latin, area that floods.
Maybe. Yeah. I never studied Latin. But the fact of the matter is...
I thought you were raised Catholic, weren't you?
Yeah, and I was raised at a time when all the Mass was done in Latin.
Yeah, I know, right.
And I was an altar boy, too. But anyway, that's my 2 cents on that. And if you want to raise it up for other storms or power outages and stuff, I love having my generator.
Well, it's good to have it raised up even on a flood, even if it's not running, because it keeps it from going underwater. And that's a good thing. But
and if you're going to keep it for a long time, a new one.
Yeah, as far as new and used, the warranty on a new generator is only going to run 3 to 5 years. Anyway, so it's like if you can find a good deal and you have a mechanic check it out, because you are buying an engine, right?
It is.
It's an engine. It's like mine is a V6. I think yours is...
Mine's just a 2-cylinder.
Yeah, and so it's like it's a big generator. It's an engine. It has to be checked. And if you're buying a whole home generator, it's going to be a big mother. So you're going to want a mechanic to go in there and check that thing out and make sure it's in good shape. But it's like buying a used car versus a new car. It's whatever fits your fancy, right?
Yeah, no, I'm good. If it runs and it's good, the platform is a great idea. My biggest concern, again, is just the floods. Don't run it when the flood's going on, because you're going to get hurt.
Yeah. Yeah, and watch the hours that generator has on it, too. All right, you got a question, send it to us. We'll help you out right here at HomeShowRadio.com. Visit the website, click on the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.